Do you smell that? I think we're officially delicious.
Creaming swirl. Chef Mimi did magic again. Of course we are. Creamy.
You think someone will bite me first?
Wow, that's great.
Welcome back to my mini kitchen. Today we are making a magical chicken wrap, soft, crispy, and full of love. Let's fry our chicken until it's crispy and happy. I'm getting pampered. Only the best for you. Fold gently, tuck and roll like a cozy blanket hug. Let's give it a golden kiss. Look at that swirl, beauty inside. Thank you for cooking with me. Every bite has magic when made with love. See you again in my mini kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe for more magical tiny dishes.